H4C, how to resolve E-4 error. Replace heating element assembly. Prepare tools in advance. Phillips screwdriver. Remove the water cup, the bottomless brewing head, and the battery. Use a screwdriver to remove the corresponding screws. Use a tool to press down on one side and remove the lid from that side. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw securing the white, blue, and red wires. At this point, you can remove the other side of the lid. Remove the corresponding screws. Thread the wire through the fitting, then remove the fitting. Remove the terminal block. Remove the water tank cover and push the machine assembly out from the rear. Disconnect the corresponding wiring, then press down on the water pipe to facilitate removal of the pump. Remove the corresponding screws. Unwind the wire and remove the heating element assembly. Remove the new heating element assembly and install it in the same manner as before. As shown in the video, organize the wires and align the 3 holes in the accessory with the 3 protruding holes on the circuit board for installation. Secure with screws. After tightening, ensure the wiring is not pinched. Remove the water pump, connect the water pump's hose, install it properly, and insert the wire into the corresponding moto terminal interface. Organize the cables and secure them in the black clips. The edge line is embedded into the central gap as shown in the video. Install the main heating element inside the machine housing as shown in the video, aligning the wiring with the center of the brand logo and embedding it. Remove the push-button switch. Once the assembly can be embedded within the machine housing, reinstall the switch. Note, the main heating element is fully installed within the machine housing, with the water tank and outer casing flush with each other. Connect the white wire to the corresponding terminal connector. Note, align the offset position of the white wire's terminal with the connector before insertion. Organize the white wires. Note, be sure to avoid the screw studs. Thread the remaining 3 wires through the corresponding holes in the fittings and install the fittings. Tighten the corresponding screws. As shown in the video, install the accessories and secure each of the 3 wires with the corresponding screws. Ensure the sequence of the 3 wires is as follows: the white wire is the longest, the blue wire is in the middle, and the red wire is the shortest. After installing the wiring in sequence, close the cover and lock it securely. Use an auxiliary tool to ensure the cover is tightly secured. Secure with screws. Insert the battery and turn on the device to check if it operates normally. The machine is operating normally and can be used as intended. Thanks for watching.